Believe me, this question is very easy. But in order for you to understand it, just click on the plus sign to follow me. And if you go to my bio, you see the link that will take you to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, share this video, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release my videos. Now, coming across this question in any chemistry related exam is very easy. Now, in my previous videos, I introduced you to a formula which I say Na is equals to what? NL. This is number of elementary particles. These elementary particles could be protons, it could be molecules, it could be the electrons. But in this question, we are told to find what? The number of electrons. So how many electrons are transferred for each mole of copper produced? Now, number of elementary particles, which is the number of the electrons, we don't know. This is what we are looking for. We have to find the number of moles first in order to apply this formula of each mole of copper produced. We'll get that. Now, Avogadro's constant, which is L, it's always 6.02 times 10 to the power 20, whether you like it or not. That's it. Now, it says how many electrons are transferred for each mole of copper produced. Now, let's bring out the copper here. We have CO and what? Cu. Okay, let's bring them out. Now, the oxidation state here is +2 and the oxidation state is here is 0. Now, let me prove my point. Now, for elements that are always in the free state, elements in the free state, they are what? The oxidation state is always what? 0. You get. Now, this is +2. Why? Let's solve together for those who do not know. Copper plus. Now, when oxygen is in any compound, the valence is always was -2 equals to 0. We have plus times minus, we have -2 equals to 0 and C equals to what? +2 when you come to this side. Now, you can see the reason why. Now, this means that copper oxide is what? Is losing 2 electrons. Is losing 2 electrons. Why this copper what? Is neither positive nor negative. It's a neutral. It's neither losing nor gaining electron. Now, in order for this copper oxide, in order for +2 to move to this side, to +2, we write out what? A half reaction to explain further. Now, half reaction, I have Cu2 plus 2E minus equals to copper. What do I mean by this? Now, in order for copper to move from +2 to this side, it needs to gain 2 electrons because it has already lost 2 electrons. So in order to move to this other side, to copper, it needs to gain 2 electrons. So you can say that 2 moles what? 2 moles of copper are transferred to the other side. So moving back to the question, it says how many electrons are transferred. Therefore, using this formula, we have Na equals to 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Okay, now times in the way 2 times 2 4, 0 and 12. 12.04 times 10 to the power 23. We can't leave our answer like this. We have to move it to standard form, which gives us 1.204 times 10 to the power of what? 23 times 10 to the power of 1 because we move it once. Using indices, we have 1.204 times 10 to the power 24. And this is our answer, which is 1.2 times 10 to the power 24. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. God bless.